Hi, my name is Gay from Spirit Walker Crystals, and today we're going to look at this pendulum. It's absolutely lovely. It's got we call it a rose quartz wand pendulum because it does look like a little wand, and you could actually use it as a wand within your healing if you wanted to. It's quite a good size. It's about 75 millimeters long, and it consists of a clear quartz point at the bottom, which is about 20-25 mils maybe. And then we've got some clear quartz here set in Indian silver with a little clear quartz sphere at the top. And it's on a 15 centimeter chain with a little bobble on the end, screws the ink on my fingers. And if you're unsure about using a pendulum, you can use it to ask questions, so long as the answer is a yes or a no. So you hold your pendulum about that far up, I would say, between your thumb and your forefinger. And you just hold it up and you kind of ask it to give you a sign. Mine's waiting to go already. Ask it to give you a sign for yes. So I'm going to ask my pendulum to give me a quick sign for yes. Okay, and it's starting to circulate. Yeah, there you go. And then I'm going to change it and ask it to give me a sign for no. So immediately mine works really well and goes into a back and forth. So I'm going to ask it to change again and give me a sign for yes. And there you go, it changes to a circle. Now for you it might be different. A yes and a no might be completely different to my yes and no, so you have to hold it and ask it, what is your yes? Don't be disalarmed if you don't get a response straight away. Sometimes it does take a little bit of time to get used to your pendulum. This one is actually a nice weight. I like a pendulum which has got a good weight on it. And I think this swings really well, and it feels good in the hand as well. So there you go, this is a rose quartz wand pendulum. If you want to know more about crystals, you can visit us at spiritwalkercrystalshop.co.uk, or you can do our crystal course online at spiritwalkercrystals.learnworlds.com. Thank you for listening. My name is Gay. Speak to you soon.